Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love. You know anything goes already, so we here on the journey. You know, journey never stops. Never stop. You know, it always continue. Cool up eyes. Yeah, so today we're gonna give out some donation here, and then we're gonna literally head into Mama River to give Cranberry them some donation also. So we're gonna go see Shanette. Come in, you ready? We're gonna also see Shanette's dad and Shanette as well too. But you come up for the work then you
come out for right there.
When they far from home, they couldn't make it.
Yeah.
You
know, so them so when they feel tired, you know, you just rest.
Rest is where you are.
Anyway you catch it, you rest there.
So this is literally 100 feet from your yard. You could continue.
Anyway you catch it, you rest. You know, we can't.
Dynamite. Alright, I walk go a vampire and come back.
Move it.
Jackson. I give vampire one donation first. Yeah. Before coming home, I have one t-shirt. People them say I'm tired to see the belly now, you know, they want to see. As if it makes sense if you show the belly and now work it off, you know. Wow. Yeah, them say them want a 6-pack now. Them tired of 1-pack.
I try, man.
Yeah.
I try, man.
People them say them tired of 1-pack. Them want to see the 6-pack for a more chef, you know.
You see me? I try, man.
So yeah, I have $8,000 a year for you from Dana D as well too. So everybody say tell Washer them want to say 6-pack now. Them tired of 1-pack. You know.
Man.
Even when time Washer mother bury him still not have no shirt.
Tell them man, guys.
Have to show you guys this guy no wear shirt no time. So here $8,000 from Dana D from New Jersey.
Dana D from New Jersey. Blessed, thank you very much. No, you're gonna see the 6-pack. Now work on it, you know. Yeah man, straight man. I don't know New York, I'm saying twice, you know.
You can't go to New York with a 1-pack there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do it, man. I work on it, man. Cause you see it gone down right now.
Yeah.
And the food now in them, just a bit of one special. So I say, take out my man.
Yeah.
Dana D, thank you very much, man.
Dana D.
Dana D, yeah man, very much, man.
Alright then. You don't want to see the 6-pack Jackson.
Yes, man. You know.
Oh, chef for the 1-pack.
Oh, chef for hear that.
Guys, so we'll go get further for the year this donation and then head out. Light Parks!
Behind from stop right side, so look right here.
This fence gets steeper. Chuck.
I tell you, I feel look for the fence, you know. I'm a browning friend.
The fence gets steep.
Jamaica.
Representing.
Yeah, go by Shanette.
Yeah.
In time we come in on Shanette, man.
Yeah. You know.
Wow.
Toe shot. Princess there. Princess. Go on. Yeah. The yard well cool, well water, well sweep up. Can you hear vampire? So like vampire sweep up the Jamaica yard. Vampire! Alright, go on. Oh, yeah, they are sweep up. Okay, sweeping up the cool yard. Yeah, coolest yard. Who remember these bottles, red label wine bottles? My plant tonight. Root. This is one of the coolest yard I'm in Trenchtown. You know, as you can see, no sun that come inside this yard, but everything is very green. Mango, you drop out of the tree. Could the ants them make a hole? All the ants them are eat it. Ants them is eating that one, boy. But this yard, look, is covered by trees, so no sun can't come in. You know, none at all. Hello. Look at this. How you doing? That is Shannon there. High five. High five.
Where have you been?
Where have I been?
Yeah.
Hiding.
Hiding?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Hiding from the sun.
Is
I
the
guess-
sun too hot?
I guess you can tell.
Well,
Sun-
the sun is not too hot when it's way far from us.
Yeah, well, this year you get no sun, so I don't think you know sun is outside. Yeah, always coming from school, right? But once you come inside this yard, damn,
It's peaceful.
peaceful and so yeah, the
And
coolest
I
yard.
got good news.
What?
I passed my grade, and
Wow.
I'm going to 5th grade now.
Yeah,
And
you pass. Congratulations, high five. Yeah. And do you reading today and pass as well?
yeah, I tried my best though, but I still kept it up.
Of course. So you done well, right? Cha. High five. Alright, then celebration. That's good though. Congratulations. So what was the marks you get?
I don't know. They didn't really tell the marks.
Or they just tell you
said
that you passed? Yeah. I know you're gonna pass. There's nothing you're gonna fail.
Yeah,
Right.
because I studied.
Well, you're always studying.
Yeah, I know studying is good for you.
Yeah. Oh, she been learning timetable the whole day? Yeah. Yeah. But you know she love the book, so that's one thing you can't get away from her, the book. Right? She loves the book. Can't get away from that. Alright then, alright. So there Father for you have some donation for now. You know, so but first this is a wallet as well too. Yeah, this is a wallet as well too, this one. Yeah.
Wallet?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's a bossy one now, look at mini box. It says from Sir E, you know, of Jamrock. You know, gave this wallet to you. It says Sir E of Jamrock. Sir E of Jamrock.
Sir Eve of Jamrock. Boy, may I tell you. Wallet chat. Bossy.
Bossy.
May I tell you, I'm boss. Real bossy.
Yeah.
Jesus, man.
Look at knees. Oh, you can put the ID them in this.
The bossy sitting.
Yeah, something you can slide there your back pocket.
Sir G.
Sir E.
Sir E from Jamrock.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah.
I respect you for that.
Yeah.
Wallet chat. You see?
Yeah, man.
A Jamrock, but the same way I talk to you, same way. Yeah. Original Jamrock.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sir E of
Yeah.
Jamrock.
So big up yourself and respect, you see?
Send also send a donation as well to where you can fit it tonight as well too. But this is $5,000 here for your same way. You know, from Sir E of Jamrock. So here's $5,000.
I want to thank you very much, you know, sir, from Jamrock. You know, because as I tell you, say, I respect you. You see me?
Yeah.
Because you never could have do it, see, but your heart goes out to someone and me it goes out.
Yeah.
So, respect. You see, and many times, yeah?
We give thanks. So we also have Shanette as well to say your pass. I'll come on the right time when you pass, so you get your. See, you get? This is for you because you pass.
Yeah.
Hold on, right, take out this paper. So this This is from Danner D from New Jersey. So you get $5,000 for your achievement.
Thank you, Danner D. That was very kind of you. And I would never keep money because low-key when I keep money, they could drop out my pocket.
Yeah.
At the last time I added my wallet at school and my money fell out of my pocket and I never touched my pocket again because some random kid wanted to steal my money and I blamed it on my classmates. But low-key I found my money and I low-key just said, I'm sorry to everybody. So thank you.
Danner D.
Danner D. It was a really, really good donation and God might bless you. Or he would always bless you.
Hey, sure. So intelligent, boy. Shanette is something else, guys. You know, whenever you hear Shanette speak, you have to just sit back, relax, and just listen to her. You know, you know, trust me. So we have Van as well. Van, here, Van. Got $5,000 for you, Van, from Dana D. So thank you, Dana D.
Thank you. Dana D.
Yeah. God bless you.
For donation.
She's learning her lyrics.
Yeah, she's learning her lyrics.
Yeah.
So you're teaching her lyrics?
My neighbor said I should teach her lyrics and all this stuff. And I'm trying my best, but she's stressed to teach.
But she will get there, right?
Yeah, I know. She would always get there because she's my sister and she always makes me smile.
Oh, that's so sweet. High five, Van. High five. High five. So I've got some more donation here and I've got father for the year as well too. Also from Dana D, which is $5,000 here for you as well too from Danner D.
Dana D, I give thanks and big up yourself. Then I respect this donation where you sent to me. Because you got to go a long way, I tell you so.
Yeah.
You got to go a long way. Go to over the weekend, you got to go a long way. So thank you very much. Yeah, God bless you.
Yes. A very long way. I will give thanks, you know, so we thank you so much, Dana D. Dana D, you thank you so much, you know, for the blessings for the family. Also, Sir E of Jamrock, we thank you as well too. And so also another one here for you from this is from Bella at Mix Vlogs. You know, he's also a YouTuber guy, so you know Bella at Mix Vlog. You can check him out as well too. And this is 7,500 here. 7,500 from Bella at Mix Vlog from Florida. For the father for the year.
Bella
at Mix Vlog.
Bella at Mix Vlog. Boy, I want to have a wonderful time, you know, because as I say, so far I remember me, boy, I try to show you. People nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And people kind, so blessed day to you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Respect for you do. Isn't it? I go far away, same way, isn't it?
Yeah,
so, big up yourself and have a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah. You want to thank Bella too?
Yeah, thank you, Bella. That was a pretty good donation. It was pretty high though. And I would think that you'll be a great person at YouTubing.
Yeah.
And I really know you'll reach to 1 billion. Just keep it up. And always follow your dream. God bless.
I know this about she's very focused as well too.
Yeah.
Whenever if you speak to you, she clock on and then literally she well in tune, you know? Yeah, Evan? Well in tune. So Shanette, so here I got $2,000 again here for you from Lucky Star from New York.
From New York?
Yeah.
I really wanted to go to New York. I hope how it feels to be in New York is a very safe place though. And Lucky Star, I know you're luckier than any other star, but all stars like you will always be lucky.
No, sir. I hope you're teaching daddy lyrics. You teaching daddy lyrics?
Yeah, come and get a nice rhyme, she just.
I tell you, no, she is something else. Alright, and father for the year. So we have one more donation here for you. And this is from Diamond, you know, from Boston. you know, $15,000 a year for you from Diamond, from Boston.
Diamond, hope you shine bright like a diamond.
Dad, you stole my
Alright, I respect you, because right now, I love what you do, because your art goes out to me and my youth. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm glad for your donation here. Let me tell you, say, shine like a diamond to me in idea, yeah?
Yeah.
So big up yourself, you see me? And may God bless the same way, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, because diamond fan hard.
Yeah.
You see me? And I know, say, he's an art person, that's why I reach for you, you see me?
Yeah.
Big up yourself and may God bless you, you see?
Yeah, man.
Straight up, you see me?
Yeah. See, look.
Bravo, Dad's learning lyrics. And shine bright like a diamond. Oh, I forgot your name, but Diamond, I know your jewelry because everyone would love to steal you. Because jewelries are valuable just like you. And I just want to say you made me smile a lot more because you made my dad happy. And I love people who made my dad happy. So you're one of my members.
Hey. Thank you so much. You know, sir, Vampire, I'm telling you, you have something huge on your hand right here, you know? Yeah, man. Something huge on your hand.
People ask me, are you a state chile?
Yeah.
No, she's not a state. She's not a state. So she thought of it, I said, proper English. Plus child pizza, proper English when she young. You see me?
Yeah.
She broke herself tonight. When she got see with her sister more time, her sister never she drop out.
Yeah.
She have to chat. You see me? So come she broke in her, you know.
So if you speak the wrong, you say, oh no, say it like this, not like that.
Yeah. I like teaching other kids lyrics though, because when I hear someone talk Jamaican, I don't really like when they say, hey you, or like,
that's what she come out. She foreign.
I don't
Yeah, long time no see her.
Sure.
that's what I was saying. So I don't really like when people just came and like say, hey you, and I'm like me, and I said, hold on, before you talk to me, I want people to talk proper English because the whole world would sound perfect and beautiful if you talk proper English. And that's how I got my lyrics. And my dad also teach me some stuff. And my big sister, Little Miss, the most successful one, I want to reach just like her. So yeah, she teach me all this stuff, and she said never talk Jamaican because it doesn't suit me. So I said yes, I won't talk Jamaican. But when I hear someone say, hey you, I don't really like that. It low-key makes me mad. Like when anytime I come inside, I just be like, I'm disappointed at everyone when they talk Jamaican and don't talk proper. So that's why I want to teach kids how to talk English, not Jamaican. Please don't talk Jamaican, because it might not be my seed.
Okay then. Alright then, so thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Part of it here. You know everything goes early. Ben, you know, so we'll give thanks.
I want to big up all of the people that donate to me.
Yeah.
Because I go a long way still. You see, I respect all of them still. Me and you see?
Yeah, man.
Because I love that. And may God bless all I want to see you see?
Yeah.
So trust me on that. You see me?
Alright then, I them I'll give thanks. Alright then, so bye.
One thing, all of the people who donate to me are now my members. And low-key, everyone who respects me are now my members. Because I take members as lovely things.
Exactly. And that is it. Alright, say bye, Ben.
Bye.
Part of it here. Trust me. You have a gem in your hand, right? Yeah, of course. You have to take care. She's a Trenchtown gem, guys. You know, so we give thanks and blessed love to our wonderful extended family that reach out to this family. You know, we thank you so much. You know, Dana D, big up yourself as well too. And Sir E of Jamrock, we thank you so much. You know, for blessing the family. And you know, Diamond, shine bright like a diamond. I know you, so valuable to her. So we thank you so much. Lucky Star, as them say, you're one of the luckiest star than all the stars. Them so why? God bless you to be that luckiest star. You know, so we're here, so we're gonna head out. You know, so we're here with Rasta Jackson, and we're with Boom, and we're with Bo. So now we're gonna took out or take on the river, and then we come back in, and so I go on. Rasta Messi, see there. Whoa, we're ready now.
Man.
I hate that, man. The rest of them are come out of the Bob Marley Foundation, you know, the Marleys, them. The Rasta. Why never get 2 room in here, so Rasta yard turn to a Rasta yard?
Yeah, that for a long time.
You know, get some Rasta living here and just rebuild back and put some Rasta in here. Where you say?
You can take more than one house, you know.
Yeah, man, and burn the fire around there, so.
Yeah,
You know?
One down at the back and this build up back, you know. And the fire can burn right in the yard.
One in a beat, no jump.
And the jump now beat again.
Nah, beat again.
Yeah, that's tell them, man, you see me?
That's what they want right now. You see that you had a setup and them else, you know, bring in some of the authentic Rasta man them will live in a trench town. Come in here so like Rasta Jackson and boom and bring in the jump them and the big chef with the big fire. Wow. And the chalice them and and the weed farm around there, so the coconut farm around there, so with the banana and the breadfruit. Yeah.
Alpea tree around there, you know.
Yeah.
East Indian tree around there. Ackee tree around there.
Everything.
Blueberry tree around there. See blueberry there? You just pick up blueberry and just mix it with something different.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them man I beat the drum still, you know.
Yeah, man.
They drum, man.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a Jackson with a natural drum, you know. Original drumming. So guys, so we're going to head out, you know, representing today. So let's head back. Put there. Alright, watch your back. Whoa, watch your back. Oh, pick up charge on the way.
Good one, I have to want to care for those. Look, sorry, man.
Tell it to me. Where?
See now. Scratching it.
Baja!
Jam! What one?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Rat soup.
Yeah, rat soup.
Yeah, eye for the mouse.
Yeah, rat soup.
Yeah, charge here, sir.
Oh.
Alright, that's alright.
Yeah. Alright. Yes, guys, so we just see. We just see Barger as well to coming off the work. You know, let me say Barger's a man at work as well too. You know, so whenever Barger get a spare time, then come give Charges some more strength, you know. So imagine we are pass and say Charge and then we are pass and say Barger.
Yeah, right,
yeah.
Moment, yeah.
Come call them, you know. And them say you're going on the road for a morning. Yeah.
Yeah, because when they go to them, I overfish, when they go to the overfish, you know.
Right, doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, but the eye?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright guys, so we're going heading in.
Come here.
Take it out, take it out. Yes.
Put them, go and bring that. Put them shoulder.
Take up that. My job. Put in the car. It's hot, wow. Alright guys, so luckily we catch see the dad in Papine, you know, so the right time. So at least he could get a strength with these 2 bags of cement. Oh, better you hug it like a beer. Yeah.
We keep go across.
Move, take that off of him. Jackson carried 2 minutes for him. Go and carry years, Jackson. Go and carry.
Yeah, I don't put it in English.
Read me. Yeah. Yeah, your shirt, no?
No, my clothes, I'm carrying, man.
Eh? I'm going to rest. Yes. Yeah, but
Yeah, don't 2 bags of cement and ring back for it.
1 beer hug now, wow.
Open here.
I say you go work, I say you get the 6-pack, you know.
Yeah.
Remember say you want the 6-pack?
Oh, you're so far from from.
Yeah. So you boom and sweat. Yes.
So blow like a train in my phone.
Oh, chef, you thinking about the 6-pack?
Try one more.
Yeah, man, that's beer hug, man.
Inside the sun, take the pack in.
Yeah.
Yeah, can reach.
Show them how you gonna work the 6-pack now. So the ladies them are watching, you know, and them say,
go on, man.
Yeah, them say them want to work off the belly.
Cool off about 2 minutes, blank them, you know.
When?
This
No?
I bring. Me carry that.
Jackson I bring a while again. So you can cool off already. See that now? This is how the 6-pack work. Alright.
Trying to know?
Yeah. Which way you go, sir?
Yeah, I'm good for these.
Alright then. So, should find a different direction. Alright. Well, Jackson, you're so shorter. You're so shorter. Alright. Well, chef, 6-pack. A 6-pack work.
Yo.
Oh, I just say I want it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to understand.
Yeah. Oh, I never know.
Yo. I'm pull out 2 more. Yeah, man, I'm going to wear there.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to do it now. Look more.
Alright. See it there?
Yeah, man.
This is how the 6-pack work.
Yeah.
You have to put in the work to get 6-pack, you know. Well,
Come, man.
It not come overnight, you know. It not come overnight. Show them.
They're on training, you know?
Yeah. You can't talk to you now, wow, chef. 6-pack.
Yeah.
You know? See that the belly press out.
Yeah, man. Gone down.
Gone down. The Jackson have 6 already, so Jackson show you how it works. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. That is that.
That's how you carry 2 of them.
Yeah. And you carry 2 of them. Oh, chef, boss already.
Alright. Yeah, there.
Oh, chef, I just press it. I just write this. I carry one from, you know. I remember blue.
That feel me, you know?
Yeah. So you say a 6-pack coming?
Yeah, man. I must lift up too much on my daytime.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, come, man. Now work on it, man.
Yeah. You keep working.
Yeah, man.
That's about work on it. He's working on it.
So it's not easy to get the 6-pack. Let's keep working.
Days and days, me have to work on it.
Yeah.
So now I want more sun on it.
No, no.
Look, so.
Look, someone cut all the time, you see.
Probably not catch you. That's right in the middle.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, on the maker.
Yeah.
Look who one.
Eh?
The Rasta man is strong, he can't.
Me allow to buy out when we try for my show, like, you know. The 2 girls up there, so.
Strong is power. One bag of cement to my carrier, that are nothing. Bag of cement.
But you can't carry it, you know.
Big shot, big me up, you know. So Rasta man is strong, he carry a bag of cement.
Yeah.
Here another one. You give me one bag of cement, I was strong.
Yes, it's not strong.
Yes, it's when I have to go and look on me.
Yeah.
Go to my trade for my shoulder, one and second.
Yeah. Yeah.
Laugh with me.
That's what our friend just said to me. Say, strong, eh?
You see it there.
Strong.
You're making it strong. This well firm, guys. So you know this is what he's gonna finish in the middle right here. You know, cause everything already sealed and firm right here. So well firm. Well firm. Oh, if I wrong way I walk.
Man, I help himself, you know, come back
Up.
and make your ass up here, so.
Yeah.
Can see it.
You notice you want to chef want to walk the hardest place, but just because him work on them 6-pack, you know?
That more and the two more go, you know?
Yeah.
Can hold on on the tree and go. I work on it, man.
Yeah. It's firm, man.
Firm, man. You see it. Firm. You can see a little piece of gun and you're so firm it up there.
Yeah.
And you're so back right one, so. You see a little piece of makeup that you do it.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah.
leave it to
I'm
me.
not for going to school, that's what I'm rub up on me. I'm not back home.
Hello, Dana.
Bully bee, I should have foot bully bee food cut.
Cranberry food. We gotta bring up that. Hey. Hey.
See, should have play. Food cut. What is that thing in there? That's your bush, man.
I don't feel. Cranberry, yeah.
Tell you now. I see your PFP. Tell you to this, maybe not touch you, but powerful. That's spiritual.
Get up, Tara. Go on, Tara, go on.
Daddy,
Whoa.
I'm saying, come get the food.
My dog, we must have up them side them live free, dog. Yeah, dog.
Thanks.
What? Yeah, smile my for Uli.
No, my family laughing.
We can take all water.
Great.
Blind. Alright, I'll say blind. What you cut off your info? Alright, bro.
Give me the thing. Like a boss. I'm gonna want your one boss.
Right, up the road and the man will make it look and say, we are both.
What's that?
I was sure.
Our bracelet.
Our bracelet.
The bad bossy.
Hey, that's not fair.
Even kilo.
Evening. Cranberry, she, you know.
You cut off whole chair or two of them.
Alright, tour.
Yeah. Come here.
Cranberry.
I'll let you chip us off our tour.
Shall cook. Hello, Tara. Well, we can get some of that food there.
Look.
I'm passing the chair. And the ants.
Come here, pull this out.
The fridge door drop off, man. Not fridge this. That's not cool. That don't work.
You know, start eating using insulin.
Oh, the fridge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't go without in a refrigerator,
Oh, the insulin?
Yeah.
So them get the insulin for?
I make you one. Diabetes.
Yeah. Oh.
Him using eagle and inserting them.
Okay. Sooner or later, to get a new fridge, cause boy, fridge is done long time.
No, me not know yet.
Done long time. Cranberry out here cooking. What? Mackerel and rice? Cooking mackerel and rice.
Yes, Daddy.
So where do you cook the rice and then put the mackerel after?
Last night.
From yesterday, you did it.
Oh, yeah, from yesterday cooking?
Yes.
No way, you did it.
Remember?
Oh, we had to add it up.
Yeah. And then my friend want mackerel.
Then put him up in there.
So where you put the mackerel in? You should just fry the mackerel separate.
And my mother do that. No, she likes to fry it. Mommy, she fry it in there. Bull beef under the bottom.
So bull beef in there as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Bull
bull
beef
beef.
thing cut my foot.
I don't mean you
Look here, look at my two of them not for swim.
cut bad.
See that? That one split.
Okay. Oh, mine are cut again, man.
I see the whole of them are cut. The whole of them two are split.
It's a baby. Oh, baby's cut.
You say this man, you work up bloody arm, you know, Taddy.
That's your blood hot.
What?
Your head hot, you know.
You say all night, oh, see blood up.
Yeah. So you step on the bull beef thing. So
Me never see it.
You never see it.
She never sits it, I go feel something there.
Me, I go cheese crunches.
Oh, just bruise it, man. I'm not big cut. I think a big cut you get.
Oh.
I think a big cut you get.
You want to see it, like, lift up, better than the whole of the skin.
Yeah.
It lift up. I think we put something on it. You see, judge someone even use and stop it. Even just take off our foot. I don't like the blood up. But two of them that you use.
Okay. So you have to full up the needle, Georgie?
No, depends on the door from my test.
Oh. You...
We'll take them from mine, I do it, so it'll be 15, 25, so it'll be 40.
Oh.
So we'll take 15 and one,
Remember, she
25 and one.
She
So it'll be 40, so we'll just measure 40 up for the needle, so it'll come here, so.
Okay.
Yo, just relax now.
So every day you have to take that?
Yeah.
Yeah, every day. 2 times a day, but more time I just need to take it 1 time.
But Nana normally give me it.
Oh, Nana always joking?
Yeah. When you take it out.
Are you a nurse, Nana?
Or me, if him sick. Because I know the door, so I normally give it.
Yeah. Nurse Nana. You're gonna become a nurse. You practice some now. You can't get talk too rough. Talk too rough.
last night, Keenet, I said, I don't know how you make none of them all that can.
Warm.
So the food ready now. Cranberry, you can eat still, you know? Yeah, real foodie. Yeah. More food. Remember the brown rice for charge you. Cranberry cooking.
After gone, last night we pull the coffee.
Guys, you see the big chef in the kitchen.
See that bully beef is what
And the bully beef, glass.
No, the bully beef down in night.
Dung.
Hey. Turn out go on. Okay, show this. How much you are okay, want some of my food?
Nana, you want that? Nana look like you love your food too.
Come bring put it in this now. One listen. Say for stay right. Let's put that. She say. You see it?
Wow.
It's not outside. Side alone. Easy for bro.
Yeah, sure, you know.
Nah.
Who for
I
that?
for share my sister them one.
Oh, your sister, that Toko. Tyra.
She have forget.
You should have mixed up the bully beef from early, so everything even.
You see some of my rice?
Try to mix up story.
I tell you.
No, don't stir the bun.
I tell you.
Don't stir that part.
Water down the way I want.
Tara. Here, Tara.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, no, say. You take up the wrong set of donation. Yeah. You take up the wrong set of donation. Imagine that. Guys, imagine that. Take up the wrong set of donation. Remember donation them right in front of me and take up the wrong set of donation them, you know? Yeah. Just there I realize that no man in a donation this. Sometimes I saw some things said there. Yeah, they just never the same wrong set. So I'm saying charges said them from an unknown, you know. The person don't want to be known. Well, we don't know because the person said it, the herbal man just pay for them for you. You see me? So this is from unknown, you know, 2020 vision, the inside one, you know, and the tea, you know, for you to drink, you know, and it's for the womb, because you know, if you heal the cut, you get another eye drops right here. You know, so we give thanks to that subscriber, you know yourself, you know. You never mentioned the name, you know, but you know yourself, you know, that provide those products for charges. So we give thanks, I would thank you, you know. So charge you can thank the person.
Yeah, unknown, give thanks again, man. Only for thanks, man. I appreciate it, man. Only for thanks, man.
Yeah. Yes, thanks and do you have to do. So you say you're going to mix everything tonight?
Yeah, that more man, careful.
Make it get dark for you. You.
I'm going to let that put myself in.
Sorry, you finished eating already?
You say putting them now, easy key now.
Yeah.
There's a need for a caution, but it's not, man.
All the biscuits that when you bring daddy, you have to say come back, come sit down.
Yes, I bring all biscuit last night, or biscuit last night, some the last night same way too, you know.
All them snacks they better put up them
I'm
when
not
they
going to
bring.
the stuff them from them, serious.
No, none of them stuff.
I used to when them ball, Kenisha have a sympathy as I give them with them one, especially Tara.
No, I talked last night, she doing.
Yeah.
She broke them all that.
But them ball, she give them with them, no. Never cutting out of them. Come. Or you get juice already, as the juice come, you start drinking Toko. Toko, your next one as well. You're like you're bully.
Where showing? How many showing?
As the juice come, Toko drink one. Hey guys, go on, I tell you. Can't believe I come here and I didn't get to bring the donation that I meant to bring. You know, it was a wrong set of donation I took up. But sure, I was on a phone call while I was coming out. You know, so I literally write up the donations them. You know, from Dana D as well too. You know, I remember I got 2 sets. I separate them, one for the Cranberry family and plus for Shanette them and the Rochef separate, you know, so I could come up here and give it to them. And I took up the wrong batch, you know, because this batch, this set of batch is for someone else, you know, and I took up the wrong batch. And not taking notice, but sure I was on the phone.
Bring it!
So boy, pass it.
Bring it! Too lazy. Do you want to watch?
Yes guys, so boy, I tell you. Sometimes we can't complain, you know, when things happen. You have to just work with the flow. So that's what I'm going to do, work with the flow. So I have to bring it back to me tomorrow. So it wasn't my plan to come back tomorrow, but I have to come back tomorrow to bring the donation for them. Oh, I forgot it. You know? So I guess I'm going to say we'll pick up the dad in Papine. But he went to get cement because he was going to finish
that's why you stay so long.
Just the last part of the pit, he was going to finish do that as well too, you know, so we saw him on the way and help him bring the cement up as well too, you know.
But
so.
what do you pick up? And nothing now.
Eh?
What do you now come up?
When we come, we see him.
So him call you call him?
So we see him. Yeah.
You know I'm just at the month I won't call it there.
Oh, wash up there. Cranberry. Cran. Call wash chef for me. Bring the food, come hold it for you. See if wash chef come to give you a quick mix. Come here, hold your food. Please, just run go car wash chef right there and don't stay 1 second. I'm begging you, right? Give me the food. Just say and don't stay. Don't stop and talk to nobody. Here.
My make that.
You hear me say? Walk that way there. I'm there right down above my side.
No, me walk here, sir. That be a stone over there, sir.
So just say key in a car and just come. Please no wait. Cause you know she will stop and laba. So I'm gonna call our chef and say that he can come help with that mix this matter quick and fast. You know? That we have to go do. So cranberry food and mackerel and rice. for the bucket there, charge it.
When I care about the bucket and Cranberry.
No, I must.
Well, go look down here, but you don't know nothing at all, girl.
Pull them out, the man, and then just sit down, see them.
No, not the one that I drop. You don't know who. The one that you drop.
Come, you come hold the camera for me, Cranberry. Come.
What are you doing?
Nana! Nana!
Nana, come down. Nana? Come on.
One place, man.
Nana!
Nana!
No, she upstairs.
Nana!
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 Nana, answer no.
Nana!
Go and eat. When you don't eat.
Yeah. Keep the car,
Charge, you go on up this side. Go, chef, come in, come mix it and load it. So charge, you go up for that side, I'll bring it to you. You might mix it up, watch how I mix it up. You want it thick, right? You want it thick.
So next show.
So you go on for the side of the pass of the bucket. So now, charge it. I say you go up there so for the thick.
Oh, yeah, let me just mix it up first.
You might mix it, man. Go and mix it.
Yeah. I'll throw the water in it. Straight to that, man.
Not throw them more yet, not throw them.
Show them how you talk up.
Yeah,
We talk up, show them how you talk up.
Bring the water to the control.
Straight right there, son. Come Nana, I'm a video personnel. I'm a video, Nana, a video for me this time. Whoa. New video lady, Nana. Cranberry get fired.
Bro, go on fully back. I'm on some water for the
Yeah.
Throw that in. Come with that. Throw the fire.
So you are the video person. Yeah. You can go use that with the butter. Use this butter for
Get the dog food. No, Tino. Get the dog food. Right there. Right there, go stand up. Go to them. No, what are they can do though?
Alright, come on, go on. That piece I want to take up over here, so I miss it. Yeah, that's nice. Go to the book.
Nana, video personnel, you seen everyone? Seen everything? So guys, so Nana is video personnel. Cranberry get fire. See her over there. Fire right, Nana. She get fired.
Ken,
she get fired.
Yeah, I've come down.
Yeah, they call one of them and come and see them and bring them over. Call boom. Boom, I want them come and see them. Nana, behave now. Tara.
Follow.
Where bucket then? Remember me one of them little bucket there for going night, yeah?
Yeah, bucket.
Yeah, one small bucket. We put down the rice. Move right now, move. Right now, move.
Turn Nana in YouTube. Nana. So you must make sure you catch feet, catch everybody movements, right?
Nana, what's your name?
Kenisha.
Kenisha. You call him 2 man a day, so from there. Don't you call him there? Oh, the next one will go so much.
Here we go again. Well done. Guys, so we said Nana doing a good job. So guys, so please comment and tell me if Nana is doing a good job. You know, we could thank Nana for being the camera lady. So we just sent her Boomer Rasta Jackson. So girls can swim. Alright, give me away now, Nana. Give me away now, Nana. Maybe this was the reason why the donation left. I was to help do this. Like I said, can't believe we take up the wrong donation. Yeah. Guys, maybe this was the reason why the donation left. Maybe additionally we should have come help finish off. You know, so just finish it and done. Do the donation, come back another day. Right.
So, come in and look at bucket, come there.
They're getting fit.
Oh. You know, so far, I'm busting next back now, starting to follow. Go on.
Ready to play. Probably a little bit more, not more. You're going to see me Yeah? Yeah, whoa, have got mix up.
Mix up.
So I'm taking some leave all the donations to bring for them and take up the wrong one. Pick up the wrong for the donation. And I say everything after I read it sometimes. Right.
This is a whole lot of mix up our piece.
Half with that thing.
No, we're not on the cool line.
We're not on the cool line. So Jackson just come and boom up this so. And so I'm gonna say end up left the donation, maybe this was the reason. Maybe. You know, so that's why we was doing this then and this. Right, Nana? Alright, Nana said yes. Alright, Nana said here you go. The video lady.
Yeah, tougher. Everything I walk at night. This? Everything tonight, I'm going to bring them up.
Never want a book today.
Never want it. Never want it.
She have a joke, you know? She have a joke when you never get a white joke. So what was the white meat?
Wow, we're not gonna need everything still, you know.
Yeah, man, everything, man.
Everything I need?
Yeah, man. Alright. Just want to cover it off first. The whole life can take up some more.
Yeah, stand up right here now.
Everybody walk down, come down.
That is it, man.
Yeah. Yeah, behind me.
No, because I never thought I'd go. I come to give them the donation and then I realize I'm not have a donation. And through the father said I come do this, so I say I get late. Some say no, I might as well give this trend. But maybe that's why the donation end up left. You see sometimes how things work. You know, because remember, you know, I seen him alone that go do this.
Yeah.
And him alone could have managed to bring up the bucket and everything. That's why sometimes we can't complain, we just work with the flow. Yeah. Like for some reason, the donation left because the donation that take up the time. So by the time come and do this, night it'll catch him down here. So look now, it almost finished off. As I can see, guys, look. See there?
Come on. Some of them popular, some see them.
See there? Yeah.
Stay there.
No for a while. No, yeah.
In there. Give him energy.
Judgy, the bucket we want the bucket for the water.
Yeah. Oh, they might use that. Yeah. So that's tilted. Oh, that's tilted. Wow, rich, you know. Yeah. Put the cement on that one at taxi. Put the cement on that one. Don't mix aside yet, wow.
Don't mix aside there.
No, just mix yourself. Oh, best look full up already, you know. Eh? Can't too much. Alright, but you want rich, see me. Show the rest on that one. Don't it on there.
You can't have a rich, you know, kind of water touch it, no crack it up.
Yeah.
Rich is so simple.
Alright, show it up there again now. So one mix now. Water, come with the water. Water. That one wedge.
That boy with G, you know.
That one wedge now, man. Just one wedge. Eh? Yeah, I know him plant up, man. You know the father, this is the dad plant up. A good while I'm planting. Yeah. 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 There's a pump him gonna need, man. Jackson. But I bend your back too much, because the shovel there make you bend too much.
Yeah, because
the angle sharp.
Yeah, sharp.
Yeah, so you nobody bend too much. Come Nana, come and video personnel. Come Nana. Come my time again. So go back up here. Video personnel, Nana.
it, Nana.
Huh?
I'm asking start touching.
Nana see what going, right? Can see everybody? You know? I'm video personnel. So now I'm going to pay you for your job. There's a Devon house. Alright, very good.
Stay, Dad, I stay.
Yeah, man, give me one chance to give you everything with them.
Everything with that, I want to mix up next short piece.
Where's that?
I want to mix the next short piece, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so that's the party.
Alright, let's mix a little piece then.
Yeah, man. Let's mix up with it.
I hear this press now. See, so I go on now. Alright guys, so that is it. That's everything completed now. You know, that's everything complete. Alright now. You see how the universe work? I said this for work, Chargy. Maybe I never do this if you get donation. Yeah. And if you come up, pass your pop in, this would happen as well. Can you imagine it? I drive past pop in and all chef see him. Because me never see him. And say, yo, see the kids them far there. You know, so come we stop now and I bring up 2 cement. I'm saying they looking 2 drive and don't get no taxi to come up. So if you come up and never see him now, we'd have come do where I do and gone. And this would get done right now. You know? It wouldn't. Yeah. So that's all sometimes how the universe work. We just work with the flow. Can't complain. Because you don't know what a store ahead, you know? Just like that. No. No. And if him alone do it, trust me, that more struggle. Because him alone will mix and bring that right through there, so. And there's a small bucket. And they're taking 2 days to finish. They would have done tonight. Can you shed early? Dash the water? Yeah, because I want some. I want some for up here, so. Say, watch out, the boy wants sleep off his mother. Hey, are your mother in a white nose? Get away from here. Get away. Are your mother? Stop it. I madam say. Your family ram. You come from the royal family.
You know say that dog way beat up down there, the fluffy dog, the mad dog,
Yeah.
make it. Hey, why not home?
White nose, you're stubborn. We're from the royal family. We'll send you back to Buckingham Palace. I wash out my foot down in the river. Cool long. Ui.
Oh, good at it.
Yeah? So,
like a remote.
parrot.
That is stuff.
What's that?
We have to cook again.
No, I'm not changing clothes.
Next time, bring change of clothes. So all chef looks in the arm. Take off his pants and see in the arm. Hand up pants. Of course, me and someone are doing it. Hello, Kino. I put my dust at them side. I really man in here. Some man now do that. They have to swim in their clothes and just put up them can't.
Never.
Why?
Never, never, never. Never. Never, never, never.
My birthday come back here, my birthday. Never an ice cream night, you know, Kino? Never an ice cream.
Come on, Peter.
Wrong. I don't get that one anyway.
You're damn right. I should have none of me give it.
Where? Oh, you came out turn, so. See that?
That look for me, right? Yeah, that's
Big oh chef. Big oh chef. Watch Toko.
you're tidy.
How do you keep? Urban tidy.
You're tidy, so you never bring any clothes. You know, to change her.
You get fire.
That was a quick sweat.
Yeah?
You are the original camera lady, it's not she. You are the original one, no.
Boy.
You get fired.
I went with another man.
Only you may I bring.
You can't tell me that.
I
I burn you and burn on never knows if me not go.
There's a bone down there, no. And alone I bring.
I hate you to see one. You just show them say them vex.
Hey. Only Nana.
Liar.
Don't worry, I'm not going to tell them next year.
Boy, you have to tell me. I'm going to call it tonight. You can see why.
Eh?
You can see why.
Don't worry, man. That's the one question. Yeah.
You can see. All the phone they shake all the pan broke up. You have Jackson. Rasta Jackson. You know, every day I'm going to provoke you, Rasta Jackson. Yeah. All the next one, Keen and I bring my happy same I bring him. You know who me attack? No, mommy. No, the one who drop him say me bad mind. I'm glad Keen and I bring him.
Who, 30 grand?
Yeah. Me don't want him come back, make him stay in yard. And give me a trouble.
Yeah, I bring him.
What? Bring him tomorrow, see him dead with me.
Yeah.
And come out hear me. Yo, I can't take you, and I can't take you. Kina, we are going to watch TV. After that, we are going to cook. Fries. Kina, next week when you buy a snack, you can buy a pack of fries. Fries. Yeah, Jaisha them say them want me start tell back fries. You know, Kina? You know the fries and the sachets, like $500. She said she want to come buy. She want my mother say start tell them back so she can buy one food. That she said. So my mother here say she want one pack of fry like even or come from school with us buy.
Thank you.
And I'll get my camera and give you this. Yeah, Kina, see your camera and the water. Come tell me, I broke your camera in the water. God, this. We can't beat Nana Panda. Who is?
Toko. Nana thief, you know. Nana thief. Alright guys, so I'm just tidy. The business where you want to say. You, yes. You are talking about say Kina tidy. You I say I should have taken off my clothes and go swim. You I say I should have swim see me. Look, just tidy, yeah. You know? yeah, now I'm wish me to bring change of clothes, I'm not lying. Yeah, but that was a good set. You know, at least now the pit is complete. You know, so whenever we come back here to do help with the rest of stuff them, much easier, quick and fast. So the pit was the main thing. So the pit is out the way. So to give thanks, you know. Everything happens for a reason. So maybe it wasn't the day today to bring the donation, maybe it was the day to finish off the pit, and that is it. It's finished. So you know the thing, guys, so give thanks. We're gonna chill for a bit and then just head home after. You know, so blessed love, blessed love. Love you guys so much, you know. Remember, please, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of the family. Subscribe and be a part of the family, you know, please. And like the video. If you're watching and you haven't liked the video, come on, guys. Put the thumbs up. If you like what's going on, put the thumbs up. Right? What is it? So, see you now. I take him back, Anton Camille. Dirty? You told lie, you never tell me nothing. You lie so?
Turn, all I'm see.
You didn't tell me anything?
Me never tell you.
Exactly.
Turn, see something dirty.
Move, man, move.
Boy, you is a wicked to me.
She lie?
Oh.
You.
Look by your pants, Kina.
Did you tell me anything? Did you tell me? Exactly. So she lying, Nana?
Nana.
A July she for bando.
Nana.
Yeah, for born July.
Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. I miss you, daddy. You daddy? You miss me? What you doing, daddy? You miss me?
No, sir.
I know. I know it.
So, why should I miss you?
Say you miss my father.
No,
That man,
sir.
they big up Esther to me.
Yeah.
Every day Esther asks me.
Every day Esther asks you?
Yes. That's right. I will call her. And you though?
And you now wash it.
What? And you prepare to wash it? Watch it. Let go, Mr. Arthur. Okay.
Alright then, time to go. I'm going up now. High five. High five. Tara. High five.
High five. Don't ask.
Tara.
No, give me high five.
Yeah, Tara.
Now, Marlon. Marlon.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So me and she please. I don't remember that the judge.
Yeah, Tara.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.